Hello 8th standard students. Today we will discuss about the topic linear equations in one variable. Now, what is a linear equation? A linear equation in one variable is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. So, in the earlier lesson, you have learnt about the polynomials. The powers, they are to the power 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0, like that, isn't it? Here, the variable, that is x, y, z, whatever is there. So, the variable has the power, highest power of the variable is 1. Then it is called as the linear equation in one variable. Now, in general, the equation of the form ax plus b is equal to c, where a, b and c are rational numbers and a is not equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. Then it is called as a linear equation in one variable, that is x. So, here the variable is x. A, b, c, they are rational numbers and a should not be equal to 0. Then it is called as the linear equation in one variable, that is x. The value of the variable means the value of x which satisfies the given equation is called the solution or the root of the equation. So, when we find the value of x or y or any variable, then it is called as the solution or the root of the equation. Now, the standard form of the linear equation in one variable is px plus q is equal to 0. In this, p and q are rational numbers and p is not equal to 0. Then its solution, how it will be? X is equal to minus q upon p. How did you get this? So, the linear equation is px plus q is equal to 0. Now, when you take q to the other side, it becomes minus q. So, it will be px is equal to minus q. Now, find out x. X is equal to minus q upon p. Understood? This is the solution. Now, equations of the form ax plus b upon cx plus d is equal to k, where a, b, c, d and k are numbers and x is the variable. And cx plus d, the denominator, is not equal to 0. It can be solved by reducing it to a linear equation. So, in this lesson, we are solving the equations of this type. The numerator, denominator is equal to some rational number. So, ax plus b upon cx plus d is equal to k, where a, b, c, d and k are numbers and x is a variable and the denominator, that is cx plus d, is not equal to 0. First, you have to convert into a linear equation, ordinary form, then you have to solve. So, we will see how it has to be done. So, coming to the example 1. Solve the equation 2x minus 1 upon 3x plus 5 is equal to 5 and verify the answer. So, find out, convert into ordinary the linear equation. How? See here, 5 means what? Denominator is 1. Okay, 5 means denominator is 1. That means it is a cross. When you do the cross multiplication, 1 into this. So, it will be the same. 2x minus 1 is equal to, in the numerator right side, it is 5 and here it is 3x plus 5. Okay. Now, open this bracket, 2x minus 1 is equal to 5 3s are 15x, and this is sign plus 5 5s are 25. Now bring x to the left side and numbers to the other side. So it is a 2x, 15x. When it comes to the left side, it becomes minus 15x. And on the right hand side, the number is 25. And from the left, minus 1. When you take, it becomes plus 1. Now, plus 2 minus 15, it becomes minus 13x is equal to 25 plus 1 is 26. So, x is equal to 26 upon minus 13. Isn't it? When you take it this side, it becomes minus 13. 13 ones are, 13 twos are. So, x is equal to plus minus minus, and the value is 2, minus 2. Now, verify the answer. So, verification, first we will write the LHS. In LHS, what is it? 2x minus 1 upon 3x plus 5. That means, put the value 2 into x is minus 2 within the bracket, minus 1 upon 3 into minus 2. So, x, for x you have to put minus 2 and check. Then plus 5. Hope you are understanding. Now, plus minus minus 2 2s are 4, minus 1 upon plus minus minus 3 2s are 6 plus 5. That becomes minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 upon minus 6 plus 5. It is minus 1. That means negative negative, it becomes positive. 5 divided by 1 is 5. That means LHS, RHS is, already it is there, RHS is equal to 5. So, LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. समझ में आया सबको? तो पहले ये लेफ्ट साइड में न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर, राइट साइड में सिर्फ नंबर, मतलब डिनोमिनेटर इज 1. सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने के वक्त ये 1 into this, it remains the same. Here 5 into this. फिर मल्टीप्लाई करो, x को एक साइड में ले लो, नंबर्स को राइट साइड में ले लो, x का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करो. और वेरिफिकेशन में LHS को लिखने का और x के वैल्यू इधर जो मिला इसमें डालो, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो, सॉल्व करते जाने का. LHS should be equal to RHS. So we have completed example 1. Now coming to example 2. It is a 4x minus 3 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 by 7. Now when you cross multiply, so a numerator should be multiplied by the denominator of the right side, isn't it? So it becomes 7 bracket, when you multiply this, 7 bracket 4x minus 3 is equal to 5 into 5 bracket open 2x plus 3. Now 7 4s are 28x, sign is minus, 7 3s are 21, 5 2s are 10x, sign is plus, 5 3s are 15. Now bring x to the left side, so it is 28x. When you bring 10x this side, it will be minus 10x is equal to, right side it is 15, take minus 21 to the other, so it becomes plus 21. Now 28 minus 10, it becomes 18x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 2, 3. So x is equal to 36 upon 18. 18 ones are, 18 twos are. So x is equal to 2. Okay. Hope everyone is understanding. Now coming to verification. For verification, we have to write LHS. Value is 4x minus 3 upon 2x plus 3. Now put the value 4 into 2. And x का value 2 minus 3 upon 2 into 2 plus 3. Now 4 twos are 8 minus 3 upon 2 twos are 4 plus 3. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. So RHS, how much is it? 5 by 7. That means LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood both the examples. Now coming to the question example 3. Now the question is 7y minus 5 upon 4y plus 2 is equal to 8 by 7. Now it is write the question. Now cross multiply. In the denominator of the RHS, it is 7 cross 7 bracket open 7y minus 5, and here it is 8 multiplied by 4y plus 2. Now 7 sevens are 49, y minus 7 3 5s are 35, 8 4s are 32, and y sign is plus, 8 2s are 16. Now bring y to the left side. 49y minus 32y, this becomes minus, is equal to 16. Bring 35 to the right. Minus 35 becomes plus 35. Now when you subtract, 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. 17y is equal to 6 plus 5, 11. 1 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 1, 5. So y is equal to 51 upon 17. 17 ones are, 17 threes are. Therefore y is equal to 3. Now verification. LHS, the question, it is a 7y minus 5 upon 4y plus 2. Put the values 7 into 3 minus y is 3. So 7 into 3 minus 5 upon 4 into 3 plus 2. Okay. Now it is 7 3s are 21 minus 5 upon 4 3s are 12 plus 2. That means it is a 11 minus 5 is 6, and now here 1 is remaining. Now 12 plus 2 is 14. Both 16 and 14 divisible by 2. 2 sevens are 2 8s are. So you got 8 by 7. So you got LHS 8 by 7. The RHS is also 8 by 7. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. Okay? Hope everyone understood. The third example we finished. Now coming to the fourth example. 7 minus x upon 5x plus 1 is equal to 3. Now here again denominator, it is 1, isn't it? So 1 we are not writing, so it will be 7. If you want, you can write 1 bracket 7 minus x is equal to 3 bracket 5x plus 1. Now from where 1 it came? The denominator. Okay, we are not writing. So it becomes 7 minus x is equal to 3 5s are 15x plus 3 1s are 3. Now x you bring to the left, minus x plus 15 becomes minus 16x is equal to minus 15x. Now 3 plus 7 becomes minus 7. Now here it becomes, it is minus add and minus 1 plus 15 is 16x, and here you get minus 7 plus 3 means how much it will be? Minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 upon minus 16. 4 के टेबल में है 4 1s are 4 4s are. X is equal to minus becomes plus and it is 1 by 4. सबको समझ में आया? सो मल्टीप्लाई करो, इधर 15x इस तरफ आने के वक्त माइनस बनता है, सो x इधर रहेगा, सो minus 4 upon minus 16. Now verification. LHS 7 minus x upon 5x plus 1. Okay, now it is a fraction, so you better take care. It will be 7 minus x is 1 by 4 upon 5 into x is 1 by 4, put within the bracket, plus 1. So that becomes, now here it is a fraction, so LCM is 4, 1 4s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Remember how to take the LCM, isn't it? And equivalent fraction, how we have to do. Now minus, this remains 1. In the denominator, there is no cancellation. 5 1s are 5 upon 4 and plus 1. Now here again it is a fraction. Again you have to convert and you have to add. Now this becomes 27 by 4. Now in the denominator LCM is 4. This one will be 5 itself. 1 4s are 4 1s are 4. अभी न्यूमरेटर में 27 by 4 और डिनोमिनेटर में आया, देखो ये लाइंस अलग अलग, ये बीच का न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर का ये लाइन थोड़ा बड़ा डालो. अभी आया 5 plus 4 is 9 by 4. So numerator fraction, denominator also fraction. Now it will be 27 by 4 and now divide by 9 by 4 means what? Multiplying the reciprocal. So 4 goes to the numerator, 9 comes to the denominator. Understood? 4 1s are 4 1s are, 3 3s are and 9 का टेबल में है, 9 1s are 9 3s are. So you got answer 3. Now RHS already it is 3. That means LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. So fraction, if the answer is fraction, you should be careful. LCM लेने का है, फिर एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन करने का, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने का, ठीक है. Now coming to the fifth example. Okay, find the positive value of x which satisfies the equation. So you have to find out the positive value. First do as the normal sum. So x square plus 5 upon 2 minus x squared is equal to minus 3 by 2. So multiply the numerator by 2 and the denominator by minus 3. So 2 into x squared plus 5 and minus 3 into this one, isn't it? 2 minus x squared. Now 2 into x squared becomes 2x squared plus 2 5s are 10. Now minus plus becomes minus, 3 2s are 6. Minus minus becomes plus, 3 into x squared, 3x squared. Now x squared, take it to the left. So 2x squared. This plus 3x squared becomes now minus 3x squared. Now minus 6 as it is, take 10 to the other side, it becomes minus 10. Now plus 2 minus 3, it becomes minus 1. We are not writing 1. Minus x squared is equal to minus 6 minus 10. कितना आया? Minus 16. Now minus x squared is equal to minus 16. So x squared will be equal to 16. अभी x squared is 16. So x will be square root of 16. है ना? So square root of 16 will be how much? Either plus or minus 4. See, this is plus 4 or minus 4. Plus or minus 4. Why? Plus 4 into plus 4 is 16. Minus 4 into minus 4 is 16. But they have told positive value. So, positive value of x is equal to plus 4. Here there is no verification. Did you understand? Solve as usual. Here you are getting x squared. So find out the square root. And square root always it will be plus or minus. But they have asked positive value. Later at the end you have to write positive value of x is equal to plus 4. Is it okay? Hope everyone understood all the examples. Okay then, bye. Thank you.